I'm in school again, but I just changed this one thing which made me feel so much better that I don't want you to miss out on this. So it's another day at school in the morning, and my first class is gym, weightlifting. I lift weights for 90 minutes. It's actually such a good class. I'm so happy I have it. Besides the fact that you get sweaty after it, you might not be doing anything for the first 20 minutes of class. It's still an amazing class. I can't believe it's actually something you can do at school. It's actually crazy. But anyways, there's other people in the class, obviously, and one of the people in that class are some big football player, American football. So he's this big linebacker, I think it is, like just this defensive person, weighs a ton, lifts a ton, and you just don't want to mess with him. You want to be on his side. You want to be his friend. But yeah, he's a great guy. We usually lift weights in that class, and for the first exercise we do in that class is bench press. So we all gather up in little groups and we do bench press, and the football guy is in my group. So we all put on the weights, we all do our reps, but when it's his turn, he adds on more weight, he throws more on, and then he starts repping those extremely easily. So we just go through the sets, and this happens day after day. Every time we have this class, this happens, and we already expect it. Like, we already know, okay, how much do you want? You want this much? All right. Like, we don't even have to spot him, because we already know he's just going to lift it up and boom, carry on. But as we were doing it, he went first this time. So he put on his weight, and then we'd have to unrack it and then do it again. But I didn't feel like doing that. I didn't feel like just taking off the weights and, putting it back on. It was the last set. So I did my other 2 sets, actually. It was my last set, and I didn't feel like taking it off. So I just thought, you know what? I'm going to try it. I'm curious. I'm curious to see how different I want to see how it feels like to be a big, buff football player for one day. So I do that weight, and I don't lift it up once, because I lifted it up 3 times. And to be honest, the weight that I was lifting compared to his wasn't that different. I was doing 135 pounds, or a plate on each side, and then 155, and then 165 or 175, trying to do those. And he did 185 for his last set. He could probably do a lot more, but it's just that the kind of mindset or belief I had surrounding lifting this heavier weight, 185 pounds sounded so intimidating for me. Like, I probably could lift it, and I have, and I am. It's just that it just seems like such a big number. It's so heavy. It's 185 pounds. That weighs more than me. All of that just makes it feel more intimidating to lift. Like, think about when you're doing your warm-up. You're doing the bar, or you're just warming up. You don't think it's going to be hard, right? You're just, all right, yeah, it feels good, What if we just had that same mindset towards the things we think are hard or challenging? Like, okay, yeah, it's just 185 pounds. Let me try and lift it up, Just treat it like it's a warm-up, or it's easy, a practice thing. Don't be scared by that, because I realized that I could actually do a lot more than I realized, because I did that for 3 reps. So I can do 200 pounds for my PR. That sounds so crazy. 200 pounds, my bench starting with a 2. I was so hyped about that. I got so happy. And just realizing that I'm the person that can actually do that, it made me feel a lot more, I don't know, Like I just felt so much more free, like a weight, like a plate was lifted off of me. Just by me believing that I could lift more, I was able to lift more. I could do it just because I believed I could do it. You can do what you believe you can do. Really. If I didn't think I could lift the weight, I wouldn't lift the weight because I wouldn't have even done it in the first place. Hope you like the environment so far, by the way. If this is your first time watching my videos or you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. It's free. You could always change your mind, but yeah. But I was so excited when I actually repped those 185s because it made me so excited on what I can do now actually and what I'm going to be able to do in the future. So if you can't relate to the bench press thing or you can't lift as much, you can't do that, just know that imagine what you can do in the future and then use that as extra motivation. And this doesn't mean just because if you believe you can lift 500 pounds means that you're going to do it. But whenever there's something that's a little intimidating, that's a little scary, embrace it, try it. Because you can actually do a lot more than you think. And you'll start doing more. Do something that you normally say, oh, I can't do this. Oh, it's not for me. Oh, I'm not that guy. Try it. Because I tried it and I was able to get a lot more confident, a lot more excited and happy about my own life. So I hope you can think about this and I'll see you later. Peace. Gotta take off my glove to end the video.